Hello everyone, welcome back to our Redashing Learning series. In today's session, we will explore who uses Redash and how it's helped different teams from startup and a enterprise to a data team and business users. Redash is known for its lightweight, open source approach to data visualization and queuing, but how exactly it is used in the real world scenario. By the end of this session, you will understand how startup, enterprise, and data team leverage Redash to make better data driven decisions. Let's dive in it. Before we explore use case, let's quickly recap why company chooses Redash. First, it's open source and cost effective. Unlike expensive BI tools, Redash is free for self hosting. Easy SQL based querying. No need for a complex setup. Just write SQL and get insights. Work with multiple databases. Connect to PostgreSQL, MySQL, BigQuery, Google Sheet API, and many more. Lightweight and fast. Unlike heavy BI tool, Redash is built for speed and simplicity. Collaboration and sharing. Team can share dashboards, set alerts, and automate reports effortlessly. Now let's see who actually uses Redash and how it benefits different organizations. First, let's talk about startup. Why do startup love Redash? They need a fast, cost-effective BI tool without expensive license fees. They want to quickly visualize user data, sales, and product performance. They need a tool that grows with their data needs without a heavy learning curve. Example use case in startup product analytics. Track user sign in, retention rates, and features adoption. Marketing insights. Analyze campaigning, performance, website traffic, and social media engagement. Customer support metrics. Monitor ticket resolution time, response rate, and churn risk. Fundraising and investor reports. Create a quick data driven reports for stakeholders. For example, a SaaS startup, software as a service startup uses Redash to track daily active users, churn rate, and revenue trends without needing a full BI team. Why is Redash a great fit? First is low cost, simple SQL based querying, easy to share dashboards for small team. Now let's move to enterprise, large companies with complex data needs. So why would they use Redash? Why do enterprise choose Redash? They need a flexible BI tool that can connect with multiple data sources. They have large data teams that require SQL based querying and automation. They want self-hosted solution to meet security and compliance needs. Example use cases in enterprises finance and revenue analytics that tracks quarterly earning, operational cost and forecasting. Supply chain monitoring, monitor inventory level, vendor performance and logistics. Security and compliances, create audit log, access report and system alert. Sales and customer insights, analyze customer lifetime value, segmentation and trends. For example, a large e-commerce companies uses Redash to track customer order, refunds, and the revenue growth across multiple countries. Why is Redash a great fit? Can be self-hosted for security and compliance, support multiple databases and APIs, scale easily for large data teams. Lastly, let's talk about data teams, the real power user of Redash. Why do data team love Redash? They need a SQL based BI tool that integrates with various data warehouse. They want to build dashboards quickly without complex BI setups. They require real time monitoring and alerting for key metrics. Example use case for data teams: ad hoc queuing, quickly pulling data insights for team without writing scripts. Automated dashboards, build real time dashboard for different departments. Data pipeline monitoring, track ETL jobs, errors, and system log. Anomaly detections and alerts, set up Slack email alerts for unusual data trends. For example, a data science team at a fintech company uses Redash to monitor fraud detection model, customer transaction patterns, and API performance. Why is Redash a great fit? SQL first approach makes querying easy for analysts. Support multiple data sources, that is Postgres, Snowflakes, BigQuery, lightweight and fast compared to heavier BI tools. So let's summarize what we covered today in this video. Startup uses Redash for quick, cost effective product and marketing analytics. Enterprise use it for complex business intelligence, revenue tracking, and compliances. Data team uses its real time monitoring, ad hoc queuing, and dashboards. So that's all for this lecture. See you in the next video.